Hi, I'm Nathan, and today is physics news about Einstein. It's gonna be talking about his works that changed physics. Letter to Michelle.
Einstein, you are known to be an influential individual in the world of physics, but we would also like to get to know Einstein better. So can you tell us about your life?
Well, I was born at Ulm in Württemberg, Germany on March 14, 1897. 6 weeks later, my family moved to Munich, where I later began my schooling at Leopold Gymnasium. Later, we moved to Italy at Aurora, Switzerland, and in 1896, I entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich to be trained as a teacher in physics and mathematics. In 1901, I gained my diploma. I received my Swiss citizenship, and I was unable to find a teaching job. I accepted a position as a technical assistant in the Swiss patent office in 1905. I also obtained my doctor's degree.
That's pretty impressive. Would you like to tell us more about your personal life?
After World War II, I was a leading figure in the world government movement, and I was also offered the presidency of the State of Israel, but I turned it down to work with Mr. Chaim Weizmann in establishing the Hebrew University of Jerusalem.
You seem as if you have a clear way of solving problems with physics, and you seem to be so determined to solve them.
I always have this strategy of my own, and I'm able to visualize the main stages of my goal.
I see. So you are famously known for the equation EMC squared. Would you like to elaborate on how you compose that equation?
I produced EMC squared for my special relativity equation.
Oh, is that so? Would you like to elaborate on anything else?
I also wrote a letter to Roosevelt telling the effort of the Nazis to purify the U-35 that was known as the turning point to use the atomic bomb. And the government started the Manhattan Project, which created the atomic bomb.
If it wasn't for you, we would be under the power of the Nazis.
I guess so, but another thing I want to add is that these equations also show the relationship between energy and matter, as well as their exchangeability. In today's the government started the Manhattan Project, which created the atomic bomb.
So if it wasn't for you, we would be the